I was in a very interesting cab right now. The cab driver had notes, the currency notes from every part of the world, and it was very beautiful. Being someone who also likes to collect notes from every part of the world, I thought it was pretty incredible. Looking at his collection, I was like, oh my god, I think I have to travel way, way, way more. I went to Tops and I got like a bunch of groceries. So I got a lot of supplies that I can use when I'm back in India. I got a lot of noodles that I want to use for my recipe videos once I'm back. So yeah, like they have a great selection of products. They also have the fresh section right ahead. One thing that I had been noticing everywhere in Thailand is the extensive use of plastic, and you cannot even help it. So, you know, even though I sometimes feel like I don't want to use the plastic, there's no other option. But then I saw this great thing that Tops did. They are giving out jute bags, which is like for 29 baht. I know it's like a little bit pricey, but you buy it once and you can use it forever, and you can carry that instead of falling victim to the enormous use of plastic. They ended up getting some food.
And then we can poke you.
Stop. The main work for today is to find out how this hobs work. Or hob work. These hob work. Sure. It's trying to make fries. It's raining.
No, we
like,
can first do the cheese and
Sumit in the kitchen doing some hard work.
Doing hard shit.
What are you cooking? Good job. I trained you well.
right for the last 6 years, right?
Yeah.
7?
Yeah.
Sure.
Since birth.
Right. That would be your dream.
My dream. Why would my dream be to train you?
Like all human beings.
Right.
Because you feel like you're a goddess.
Oh, I am.
I'm trying to.
Well, Meher is like cooking for the first time in her entire life, and that too, this is not called cooking. Like, look at her expression. It's like she thinks she's a professional cook, but we have been living here for like, I think staying here for like 3 days now, and she has not cooked like.
Yeah, that's because you guys want to eat out every
Sure. I literally did not stop you from actually going outside and buying the stuff and doing all the hard work.
I almost ordered groceries, but then they were charging a bomb. So.
Right. So there's like a grocery shop just downstairs, like 4 floors down, and then take a right and walk like less than 50 meters. And there's
Cheese balls are really nice. They look better than any man's balls. I
Sure.
guess.
I don't think you have met like good, men with good balls, so it doesn't matter.
I'm sure I did. How do you?
Oh, you have to first select the one that you are going to reduce.
I got it.
No, first select it.
I selected.
Okay.
It's reduced.
So now everything is on fire.
Grew up in a town that is famous as a place of movie scenes. Noise is always loud, there are sirens all around, and the streets are mean. If I can make it here, I can make it anywhere, that's what they say. See my face in lights, saw my name in marquees found down on Broadway. Even if it ain't all it seems, I got a pocket full of dreams, baby. I'm from New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in New York. These streets will make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire you. Hear it for New York, New York, New York. On the avenue, there ain't never a curfew. Ladies work so hard. Such a melting pot on the corner selling grub. Preachers pray to God. Hail a gypsy cab, takes me down from Harlem to the Brooklyn Bridge. Some will sleep tonight with a hunger for more than an empty fridge. I'ma make it by any means. I got a pocket full of dreams, baby. I'm from New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in New York. These streets will make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire you. Hear it for New York, New York, New York. One hand in the air for the big city. Street lights, big dreams, all looking pretty. No place in the world that can compare. Put your lighters in the air, everybody say yeah, 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 yeah. New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in New York. These streets will make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire you. Hear